Hey, here's another sneak peek from our upcoming webinar, Lessons Learned from 5 Years of 2-Second Lean at Xylem Design.
So obvious to me that there is no other way to run a business. Yeah, I had no choice.
Like a belief system.
I had no freaking choice, dude.
Yeah.
I got you. Go, you take a look at the pictures on the. You get on the staircase.